Hello friends, this is Shana Home Decor. I hope you're in good health and enjoying my videos. If you're liking the content, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This is a little channel and your support is crucial for us. Today's video is about amazing gardens or your garden designs which are unique, which you can create at your home, in your front yard, or in your backyard. We tried to collect a variety of designs so you can choose for large spaces and for small spaces. When it comes to designing a garden, first thing you should keep in mind that you should have a written plan of your garden, that where is a larger tree, where you want to make some flower beds, and where you are fixing some place for planters pots, for the pathways. The types of plants you are going to grow in your garden is also decided beforehand, so you know that where is the sunshine most of the time. So you should plant there the plants and trees which need more sunshine. The parts of your garden which receive lesser sunshine should have plants which can survive in lesser amount of. If you want to create a water feature in your park, then location should be decided beforehand, so you can create little shrubs beds or little flower beds beside your pond. You can also place some flower pots or planters beside your little pond. Green climbers can also be a good idea if you have a pergola or a fence. If you are in love with climbers, you can create a little fence in your garden and you can grow the climbers there. In sunny areas, you can make flower beds or you can create clusters of shrubs, herbs, and flowers, and you can create your sitting place in the sun. Creating a wooden deck in your garden is also an amazing idea. There you can also create some built-in sitting place which can save you from buying furniture or chairs and taking care of them. Where you have trees, you can plant lower height flowers and shrubs. In flower beds, you can plant the plants with varying heights. Plants having short heights should be in first row, then respectively you can grow the other taller plants. You can create small attractive pathways too with sand and gravel. They can be an amazing idea to bring nature inside your garden. You can use stone planks or planks of wood to create stepping stones. Little hedge can be created with some climbers and that look beautiful too. You can grow some flower plants and shrubs in the base of your hedge. The areas surrounding your patio or pergola can be planted with lots of naturally found shrubs or grasses. They will attract a number of birds, bees. Thanks for staying with us.